Guys, congratulations on purchasing the Aeroblade. We've been working on this for 2 years and finally it's here. Okay, so you're gonna open up the box. You're gonna have your Aeroblade and you're gonna have two different offset. This is a 6mm offset. This is a 4mm offset. You gotta determine which one you're gonna use. You know, some body panel you might need to use the 4, some you might use the 6. If you're doing vinyl or PPF, it just depends on what you're gonna do it. The first thing you wanna do is you wanna set this. You see this blade? I'm gonna hold this down. And you want this to be back here to cut, guys. You gotta find your perfect angle, but it's always better like back here. But you'll find it where, you know, you could move it around. It's adjustable, just depending on the film or that you're using or just how you like it. This is left hand and right hand. That's the reason why we developed this, because you could use it this way or you could turn it, use it this way. So it's left hand and right hand if you're cutting it this way or if you're cutting it this way, okay? How you change out the blade, you know, we purchased some very really good carbon blade, and this is it. Look, you just have to loosen this a little bit and you just move this up, and when you move it up, turn it sideways, and then you know you could release the blade right here. And this is how you change out the blade. If you guys are filming it, I highly recommend please don't film how you change out the blade. You know, we're still working on going through a patent, and you know, this took us a long time to figure this out. I know it looks simple, but it's not. But we made this. We made it really high quality. Everything is stainless steel and aluminum, so it don't rust on you. And then you're gonna be included 2 packets of blade. We are gonna have blades on the shop that you can purchase, but these are the 2 pack that you can change out. Highly recommend changing it out when you start cutting your film and it take a little bit harder. I mean, if it's a little bit, you know, challenging to cut your film, it's because it need the blade change out, okay? So we can go on to the next video, but congratulations on the Aeroblade.